Okay, so this is going to be the sixth part of the video. In the previous video, we applied a histogram transformation, so we converted an image from linear to non-linear, and the image looks really good. But if you see closely at the Tarantula Nebula, you see the core is blown out, and the center of the Magellan cloud is really bright. Now, what I like to do is I like to reduce the glow at the center. Now, to do that, we can use something called HDRMultiscale transform. So HDR, which is high dynamic range. So what it is going to do is it is going to go through your image and reduce only the brightest parts, so you get better contrast in the image. So in order to do that, we are going to go process and multiscale processing and go HDR multiscale. Now by default it will be set to number of layers 6, number of iterations 1, and just everything unchecked. Now I like to use a lightness mask now, because we only want to target the very bright areas. If not, it is going to go through the whole image and try to create an HDR image. So it's going to create a super contrast between these dark areas and the bright areas, which makes the image look really bad. Now I can show you that example by just unchecking that and going number of layers 6 and just running that. Now it does take a while, but not really long, but you will in a while see why. Okay, that's done. Now you see it has applied to the whole image, and you can see it looks really grainy and really contrasty. You see it has reduced the center of the image, but that's not really what we want. So if I go back and use to lightness and lightness mask and use that, okay, you should see it's a lot better looking image than the previous one, and it has just been applied to this very bright core of the Tarantula Nebula. Okay, that. Now we'll play with the settings and go change the number of layers to 5. Actually, I should have gone back once again. Okay, should have just done that. Okay, that's a really better looking image. You can see a lot more detail in the core there. And that should be okay. Well, let's try 4 and see what difference it makes. It's actually a lot better. Let's see how much it affects the rest of the image. Not much, and it's actually good. So yeah, we'll stick with 4 because I really like how you can see all those details in there. Okay, and that is your HDR multiscale transform. Thank you.